Hey everybody, Mark from the Geek Church here. In case you're wondering what I'm doing off to the side here instead of in the center frame of the shot, well, I had to put this Philips thing in the center. And hey, we're gonna have a fun time unboxing this and setting it up, and ooh, it's pretty big, but hey, nothing we can't handle. Right after this. Okay, just to set the record straight, this is a Philips display monitor. It's a 7000 series, 27-inch UHD. And its number is, I guess that's model number, is 27E2F7901. So, might be difficult for me to be in the shot along with this great display, but we're going to give it a shot because I really want to see this in action here. I'm really hoping that I can capture, the awesome resolution of this thing with my camera. Let's hope I can. Anyway, we better get started with the unboxing. Okay, so basically Philips, I have to admit, this is the first time I reviewed a Philips display, and most of the time when I review something from Philips, it's a shaver. Yeah, I had to actually go back a while just to find out, okay, what Philips products have I reviewed and have I not reviewed. Philips is one of those brands that I swear it goes in and out. As far as like 1 minute they're like everywhere, and the next minute they're kind of nowhere. But hey, you never know what you might be able to find with this. So let's see what we got. Okay, this is unique because the last display or television I reviewed was a 65-inch one, but I didn't even bother showing the unboxing of it. This time we're gonna go full unboxing. And yeah, basically I'm gonna try and get this in the shot. It looks like this. So there's like 2 drawers full of stuff here, I guess, for lack of a better term. Do they pull out? Let's hope so. Okay, as you can see, I had to adjust the shot here just so I can make this work. And I'm not even sure if I can get these things out here from this angle. No, I cannot. Okay, I decided to switch the aspect ratio just to make sure I could get something here. And I'm sure I'm going to receive a lot of negative feedback on this, but you know what? I'm going to get this out of here. So, oh man, this is a very difficult unboxing. Just to even get this out. Okay, this isn't working. You know what we're going to have to do? Hey, remember when I reviewed that Atami scooter and I had to just dump it out? That's what I'm going to do with this. And yeah. Let's see. Okay, what I'm hoping is not going to happen is I'm going to have the thing and then it's just going to just spill out once I take off this big thing here. Yeah, I'm sure there's scientific terms for these things, but I don't know them. Okay, and here we go. Okay, I knew there'd be something like that happening. Okay, the good news is we got it all out of the box. The bad news is it's a bit in a state of disarray, as we say. Looks like I've got the thing right here, and I'm glad I didn't damage it. Just getting it out here. So, all right. I'm gonna have to put this to the side. I can't believe that I'm having to actually put it to the side here. But yeah, it looks like it comes with all this stuff here that's kind of like in this convenient place to store it, which I like because, hey, we all want our products to be packaged well. Granted, that sort of made it hard to open, but what can we say? All right, I'm just going to kind of go through all this stuff here because honestly, this is becoming very overwhelming to me. I have, let's see, HDMI cable. Very good, check. And then what looks to be a USB-A to USB-C cable, also checked. And then we have another HDMI cable, followed by USB-C to USB-A cable. That's a lot of cables here. Not a lot of, usually when you get one of these monitors / displays, you're lucky if you even get one HDMI. I'm going to also talk about this. This looks like kind of the stand of the thing. I'll have to check out how to put that on later, but I'll put it to the side for now. Okay, I'm not sure how much I got on camera, but you notice when I dumped out the TV, a lot of stuff just kind of came out. So I'm going to try and, this looks like the bottom part of the stand. So yeah, got that. Hey, all right. This looks like the AC cord. Very good. Oh yeah, this also looks like, yeah, what is this, the power thing? You know, I think I talked about this the other day when I was reviewing a charging station that oftentimes, products often come with this little box thing that is, you have to attach to your AC cord, otherwise it doesn't work. And I'm not sure what this is, but it feels hard and very metal. Feels like it's part of the stand. We'll have to check that out. Okay, I've got here like a color calibration factory report. I'm not even sure what to do with this. And I also have the quick start guide. Woo! Oh, hey. Okay, it looks like it gives me a lot of things to do on here. So, all we're gonna do is get started. Okay, I think the best thing I can do is take off the wrapping off the display itself, and I don't want to damage it, so I want to make sure that, okay, looks like I got something right this time. So, here we go, and, ooh, okay, so I'm liking this so far. Okay, alright, this is it. Oh my gosh, okay, alright, okay. I'm going to have to turn this around, and even when I do, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to, wow, okay, there's a lot here. Oh my gosh, there's a lot here. Okay, this angle is going to be really awkward, but I want to show you a few things. I'm not sure what this port is. This might be where the power goes in, or is it, actually I'm not really sure. I'll have to find that out later. Then we got this HDMI port here, followed by a display port in and a display port out. And then there's 3 USB-C ports here, followed by 4 USB-A ports. And then there's a headphone jack. Whoa. Okay, already this is a lot. Okay, hopefully I can do this without instructions, but I talked earlier about a certain stand that it came with, so I think it's pretty obvious what we need to do here. This is a really interesting stand, and it very obviously just kind of screws onto the back. Or does it just snap right on there? Maybe it does. Okay, I'm gonna have to check this out here. But before I snap it onto this thing, oh man, this is really awkward, isn't it? I might be in over my head on this review. We definitely need something on the bottom here. Let me check this out. Okay, I unwrapped the stand here, and now I'm going to put this thing on here. Hopefully I'm doing this right, and yeah. Oh, that fits in very nice. Now there's a screw here that has these tabs on it that I think I can just actually just physically turn, and then that's that. So yeah, not bad at all. That was an easy setup. Now, can this thing here, the screen itself, go on this thing without any kind of apparatus? Let's see. Okay, before I go any further, I noticed that it came with this, and then that also came with some screws. Perhaps this is for mounting it on the wall. I'm not certain. I'm not even certain whether I'm going to use this particular part to put this on the screen itself. Now here comes the hard part, which we might do in several takes. Okay, there's a button down here. You can see that thing go up like that. What I'm hoping is that this thing sort of goes on this, and if I drop this thing, like if I mount this thing and this thing goes falling down and I catch that on camera, that's going to be either the best or worst review or unboxing I've ever done. So I'm just going to try this and see if this works. Okay, we might not be successful in getting this in the shot, but we're going to try this anyway. Okay, so what if we just kind of put this on here, like this, okay, and then what, we put this up, This feels like it should be a lot easier, but it's not, and it's not going on here at all. So I'm gonna take a risk here and actually put this thing face down, but before I do, I'm just gonna put some of this on here, just so I can keep it safe. I don't want to crack the screen unintentionally. So I'm going to try something from a little bit different angle, like this. Ta-da! It worked. Okay, in case, I'm going to have to put some sort of search parameter to show that, oh gosh, look at that, it's reflecting my ring light. How nice. How to put on the stand for this particular television. Ooh, oh yeah. Okay. Okay, you'll have to ignore this little ring light here. Pretty easily adjustable. Looks like it just kind of goes up and goes down. It's a good looking stand and very practical. And I didn't have to use this thing at all. I guess this is for wall mounting kind of things. So yeah. So really the only thing I can do is put it in a place where I can show you what it looks like. This is where, if you thought it was messy before, it's out to get super messy now. Okay, I decided to switch the locations because yeah, I don't often show off this thing. This is kind of my office space. This is the display that I use to edit my videos. And it's old, okay? I have no idea how old this thing is. I must have bought it like maybe 10 years ago. At the time, it was pretty much state of the art, and I think I bought it used for about $250. But yeah, it's about to get an upgrade. But first, here comes the hard part. I gotta get rid of it. But it's really like in there with the wires and stuff. All right, look who's moving in. Yeah. Okay. Certainly takes up a heck of a lot less space than my last display. I gotta say that. Now, we gotta plug it in, hook it up. Ta-da! Get that on film? I hope not. Okay, I got it plugged in. There's a power button here. Let's see just what happens if I just turn it on. Okay, we get that. I didn't really expect to see much, except maybe a logo and a test screen. And yeah, that's pretty much what I expected to see. Let me get some... Here's the thing. I gotta hook my computer to it. And I'm going to use one of the included HDMI cables to do that. Bingo! Okay, I had to turn off the lights just so I could get it to adjust on the thing, but as you can see, I've got a perfect mirror here, and the resolution looks awesome. I wish I could really show you it as far as like how it really looks, or as far as like trying to even think of how to even compare it to it and showing like, because I mean I've got to film this here. Maybe I can do a demonstration here. Hang on. Okay, this is about the best way I could figure I could just show what the resolution looks like. Show something from Into the Spider-Verse, because hey man, when you look at it, it's got a lot of great stuff and a lot of great action scenes. And there is so much to see here, and man, I'm seeing it in the best possible light I think I can. Okay, this has been one awkward review, and I'm going to put more facts on this on the Geek Church article that we're going to write on this product, but there's the price right there. So yeah, I think that's the best way I can probably conclude this thing, not to mention doing a selfie here. Anyway, I'm sorry this is one of those videos that just like got really complicated really fast. I don't really work out of that studio anymore, so I might go back there. If I had to do this review again, yes, I would go to the studio. Unfortunately, on a deadline here, got a lot of holiday stuff, so that's that. I think I did do a great unboxing, so before you leave a comment down there that's in a very negative light, please just kind of be a bit sensitive there, please. I would appreciate that. Anyway, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, and I'm signing off.